A lot of states, including New Jersey, where I practice in, have gotten away from monetary bail and focusing on risk assessments. And oftentimes we don't want to be holding people just because they can't make bail. But you bring up a great question. And certainly because of what happened after her release, she continued her crime activity. And not only that, killed a first responder. And I agree, too, with the package in the sense that this is a hero that was killed here. And a lot of people are running away from these types of emergencies when our first responders, our police, our firefighters, our EMTs and the EMS paramedics are running and going to the emergencies. And any person that goes on like a shift like this, their purpose, their goal, hopefully they are going home. You know, I was a former prosecutor in the law enforcement community. The key is go home. And the same is for our EMTs and firefighters. And this could have been prevented. You know, it's very, very difficult to prevent things like this. But again, the conversation about release and detention needs to continue to protect our public.
That's what really gets me, is that with a bond that low, like, I can't imagine a doctor got to her and that she was ordered to comply with any treatment. I'd love your thoughts on that in terms of the importance of it in assessing the risk of someone like Shanetta Bossell.
Yeah, so if a psychological evaluation is ordered by the court, it's going to be a condition of the release. It's not going to be that it has to happen after, obviously, because when these concerns are brought to the court's attention, they're going to want to make sure that the safety of the public is protected. Generally speaking, when the judges, prosecutors are evaluating release, it's really of three things. Number one, are they a risk to leave, to not come back? Are they a flight risk, number one? Number two, is there a risk to destroy evidence? And number three, is there a risk to the public? And the lack of history, Julie, while I do understand that the biting is troubling conduct, the lack of criminal history was very important, I'd imagine, for the court and the release, because it was a first-time offender. And that happens, too, when first-time offenders come before the court. They should get some benefits to that as well. And I think probably everybody was looking at that as one of the primary reasons for release.